Hello everyone and welcome back to Hey Miss Kim. I'm Miss Kim and today I'm going to show you how I made my spring nature sensory bottle. Let me tell you, this was so much fun to make. I didn't realize how into sensory bottles I was, but now I am completely obsessed. And so this was really fun to make. The good part about it is most of the items in this bottle were things that I got right in my backyard. One item that I got from the store, but it was just one item. And you'll probably be able to tell what that item is in the video. But everything is right at your fingertips and I love it. I love it. So let's go ahead and check out the video so you can get to making your own. So here are my materials. I have flowers, sticks, butterflies, rocks, and different kinds of leaves. I found this really big leaf and I really like it. Also this tiny one, and I think it'll give it some great variety inside my bottle. And I also found this tiny leaf also. So here's the bottle that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use a VOSS water bottle. I love how clear it is. And then I also like the top. Share one more thing with you guys. So I made my bottle about 2 days ago and it's kind of already looking like nature in here. And by that I just mean that the petals are kind of coming off and the residue from the sticks are rubbing off onto the flowers, which is totally fine. It's totally fine. That is the whole point of the activity, because you want your kids to get that nature feel. You want them to be able to contribute to the bottle and something that they can have that is as realistic as things that are outside as you can possibly get. So this is such a great tool for you to have in your classrooms, something for you to have at home. It could be something that the kids can use on a rainy day. If it's spring, they have spring nature items right here at their fingertips. This was so fun to make. I had so much fun, and I hope you will too. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.